We all tend to hold on to our most prized possessions, money, jewelry, property, by locking it away and protecting it. Yet, we often forget about our most valuable, limited asset without thinking twice: our time. Each day gives us 1,440 minutes to make the most of. Once they pass, those minutes are gone for good. Let's talk about how you can safeguard the crucial resource of time from the many eager thieves waiting to steal it. A lack of planning is a common culprit of time wasting. Without a clear roadmap, you surf through your day in constant firefighting mode, meaning urgent issues dictate your focus rather than intentional daily priorities. This leaves you and your techs feeling drained, always having to react instead of following the process. To avoid this time-wasting problem, set a short to-do list each morning, no more than 6 or so key tasks. This list will become your roadmap to stay focused amid distractions, and checking off tangible goals beats aimless busywork. This sort of planning prevents urgency from hijacking your schedule, or can help you regain the schedule that you lost. When it comes to time saving or time wasting, digital tools walk a thin line. Email and social media are endless time sinks if you let them. Set specific times for employees to check messages and offer ample breaks for them throughout the day, but encourage staying disconnected otherwise. To avoid unnecessary interruptions, start a system to indicate you and your technicians' availability. Unplanned visits lead to mistakes in bays that cost time and money, so techs need uninterrupted focus to prevent overlooked steps. This may sound harsh, but it's also important to learn when to say no when needed. Well-meaning customers and employees may dump their vehicle emergencies on you, but that doesn't automatically make it your shop's problem. Your good nature can be manipulated if you don't set some boundaries. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks.